Alright everyone, welcome to this video and in this course. In this course, we are creating a XGen Moustache. I might not have a good one, but I can certainly create that in 3D. So throughout this course, we are learning a great deal of things, starting with what we need to be aware of when working with XGen. Then we will understand basics of XGen. We'll go through the UI. And after going through UI real quick, we are going to create a project with basic shapes just to get the hang of things. And learning through all that, all prepared, we will jump back in Maya and create a mustache on a 3D character. Just creating this course was a new one for me too. I'm trying to learn so I can deliver better for you guys. Do let me know if you like it. And this is not the end of it. We are creating a few videos for our YouTube on eyebrows and eyelashes. And then after a few days, we'll go live to create a realistic beard. Although I have kept this course for fairly beginners, do note that basic knowledge of Maya and 3D is required. With that, I wish you happy learning.